Hi, so in this session we're just going to have a look at adding the new trickle vent cover and trickle vents on a residence collection window. So we're already in our main screen. Hopefully you guys know how to do this part. I'll get to this stage. So we're going to select our colours. So because we like promoting the premium colours, we're going to do a noir colour externally and a chalk white internal. So the trickle vent cover is simply selected by right clicking, click on frame extenders, and then you'll find the trickle vent head cover just down here. So we treat it in the system as though it's a frame extender profile. Choose a position, so it's obviously going to go to the top of the window. Now, in most instances when we're supplying trickle vent head covers, you need to think about your plaster line clearance to your trickle vent. So quite often we'll see customers specifying a 20mm frame extender also to the top, and that then gives you adequate clearance to the internal part of it. So there we go, it's as simple as that. Add it on as a frame extender, think about your plaster line clearance, and consider putting a 20mm frame extender on there as well. Thank you.